Hi there everyone. So in this video we're going to see how to use really simple featured video for hosting your featured videos on a WordPress site. So let's get to it. So let's install the plugin first. We're going to add new plugin and search for the plugin in the WordPress repo. So in this case, really simple featured video. So you could also get away by searching for the keyword featured video, but make sure it is by JetXWP plugin. So let's install and hit activate. Once it's activated, we can directly go to the posts, and I would assume you have some posts. In this case, we have some demo post, and this is a fresh install of a WordPress site. So let's quickly go to the editor. And once you are in the editor, you will see that in the sidebar inspector, in this in the post tab, you'll have to look at the very bottom of the meta boxes. You'll see that this featured video section where you have two options, either to select a self-hosted video or paste a URL which is from either YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. So these are the three supported platforms for third-party hosted videos. So let's first test a self-hosted video. I'm going to upload one stock video I have downloaded from Pexels. Let's quickly do that. And let's select it and hit save. Yep, that is saved now. Let's take a look at the single post actually. So this one's as you can see at the blog single page, it is already showing up, the video that we just selected. And if you were to go to the home page, which is the blog homepage, where all the blog posts get shown, that you see that the video is being shown here. Okay, so let's go back to the WP admin dashboard and take a look at the plugin settings. That is under settings and really simple feature video. So as you can see here, there are three tabs over here, actually: controls, globals, and general, where we see and host all the settings that we have for the plugin. So the most important setting aspect of this plugin is this theme compatibility engine that we have. So this theme compatibility engine ensures that you have the right features and sets enabled for your theme. So by default, it is set to auto, and it automatically selects the the theme that you are using and the compatibility engine that is available for it, if it is available for it. So we have quite a few themes available here already in the free version itself. So first of all of the core themes are supported from 2020 to 2025, which is the latest one, and some of the other free popular themes. And some themes that are widely being used and are premium are only available in the pro version. So do make sure to check that out. And if in case it doesn't work, the theme that you're using is not supported, because we can't support them all by default, you can directly contact us by either sending an email at hello@jetxwp.com or by visiting the site that is jetxwp.com and contacting us via a form. Anyways, moving on, the second the second setting that we have for the plugin is this custom post support. And this is basically where you enable the support for featured video for any of the other CPTs that are available on the site. So by default, we have the post that is enabled, and there's another one that is pages. You can enable this by toggling it on, and if you have WooCommerce installed, it will show up here as products and any other CPTs. But do know that only the CPTs that have featured image workflow, that is via the standard featured image workflow, not via any builder, etc., those will work, because our plugin requires the featured image to be there in order to replace it with featured video. So yeah, let's hit save changes and let's take a look at the pages. If you were to go to pages now, you will see that at the same page at the very bottom, you'll see that this featured video. Let's now copy paste a YouTube video. I'm just going to, let's copy this one and paste it. Let's hit save. All right, so, and if you want to take a look, you'll see that the video is showing up here. So that is how that works. Right, so this won't show up here because that was a page, but the blog video is showing up here. So yeah, all right, there's that. Now let's take a look at the second settings tab, which is which holds these two other settings in the free version. That is the blog archives, which is turned on by default. Again, as we saw here, this is blog homepage or the archives page, and any other archives page that hold the video that is responsible via this toggle. So if you were to toggle it off and hit save changes, it will disable the videos from the blog homepage, etc. But you will notice that at the single post, the videos will show up, and that is the next toggle we have, that is for the blog single post. If you were to toggle it off as well, those videos will not show up at the single post, right? So there's that. And at the third tab, we have the controls for the videos, such as whether you want to show the controls for the videos. Let's enable them back so that they show up. Again, do notice that we have global aspect ratios, etc. in the Pro version. If you want to use that, please do consider upgrading to the Pro version, because that helps us sustain the products that we make and keep on developing them for future, as long as we can actually. So all right, so let's moving on to the video controls. So we have, at the moment, you see that the controls are enabled, but the video doesn't autoplay. If you were to go in the controls, and in this case we have a self-hosted video, so if we were to toggle off the controls and enable autoplay, it will autoplay the video. But do note that the autoplay feature will only work if you have mute sound enabled, because that is how the browser policy works. So let's hit save changes, and now you see that the video autoplays. If you were to go on the home page, you'll see that the video autoplays, but it has no controls and no audio, right? So that's how that works. Again, you can imagine the same for the embedded videos, and that is how all the controls work for the really simple featured video. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any issues or suggestions. Feel free to email us at hello@jetixlp.com. Thank you and have a good day.